Can you use a standard smart neon rope light to create an immersive home theater setup? Well, Newair sent me their new NS02 neon rope light, and no, I'm not making a cat shape out of this as the box suggests. I'm putting it exactly where it belongs, and this is behind my 65-inch TV right here. But before you buy this for your living room, there are two major things that you need to know about the length and how it actually syncs with your media. So let's go and set this up. First up, the math. This is a 3-meter rope. A 65-inch TV requires over 4 meters of light to do a complete loop, so I'm not gonna try and force it into a full rectangle, but if you have a 55-inch TV or a smaller screen than mine, then this will wrap around very nicely. And in my case, I will run it as an inverted U shape, so like that, covering just the left top and right edges. Since my lovely IKEA shelf blocks the bottom anyway, this focuses all 3 meters of light where it matters the most, and because this rope is made of thick, heavy-duty silicone, as you can see here, it will not bend at sharp 90-degree angles easily, so I will use the included clips to create a smooth, sweeping curves at the top corners. And yes, I know that these are meant to be put on the wall with the nails and other stuff, but I'm renting, I don't want to destroy the wall, so we are putting them on the TV right here with only the included glue strips so we do not damage anything. I think for my first try I did pretty well, but honestly I have no idea what I'm doing, guys. I'm just following YouTube videos and AI helps me a lot, so yeah. A lot of premium TV backlights cost well over $100 because they use cameras or HDMI sync boxes to match the exact colors on your screen in real time. The Neewer NS02 does not do that. If you're watching a green field, the wall isn't going to turn green automatically. What it does actually have is a built-in high-sensitivity microphone for music synchronization. When you turn this on, the lights pulse and change dynamically to the audio, sound effects and bass coming out of your TV. If you're watching a concert, playing a chaotic video game or watching an action movie, it still adds a massive layer of immersion to the room. But unfortunately, it will not be able to sync with the image. So if you don't want flashing lights while watching a movie, the app gives you a much better option: segmented RGB control. Because these are addressable LEDs, you can use the app to split the rope into different zones and paint them custom static colors. Now this is where the neon rope absolutely crushes cheap $5 LED strips. Traditional strips reflect ugly, harsh individual light dots onto your wall. This silicone housing diffuses the light completely flat and smooth. It turns the entire wall behind my 65-inch TV into a soft ambient glow, which significantly reduces eye strain during late night viewing, and this is actually exactly the reason why I bought it in the first place. Now the app here has multiple modes inside of it. You can control basically everything when it comes to this LED strip, and I found that there are some pretty nice looking modes on there which really help you create a very nice atmosphere depending on what you're looking for, and even for a party or whatever. But the purpose of these lights is not only to look good, they actually create this perfect amount of ambient light around your TV, which can help if you're experiencing eye strain in the dark, but you don't want the harsh light above your head. What do you guys think about these? Let me know down in the comments, and I'll talk to you in the next one.